Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about imaginaryones, the creator of Bubble, which is a really cool platform that's all about bringing joy and creativity to people around the world. They're known for their colorful and fun Bubble characters, which they use to create positive and family-friendly content. Over the past 2 years, imaginaryones has achieved significant milestones, showcasing its prowess in the Web3 entertainment sphere. Among its notable accomplishments, imaginaryones successfully launched the imaginaryones NFT collection, which rapidly sold out within 4 minutes, and collaborated with Hugo Boss, resulting in a merchandise line that also sold out in minutes alongside NFT collaborations. Additionally, imaginaryones expanded its presence by taking over 2 Hugo stores and achieving further merchandise sales. The Bubble Rider collaboration with major Web3 brands amassed an impressive 6 million plays in just 3 weeks. Further diversifying its offerings, imaginaryones introduced the Bubble Rangers mobile app game, which quickly became a top 25 game in the App Store with over 200,000 downloads within its first week. Strategic partnerships with Samsung SG, investments from Animo Cabrons, Cypher_Capital, and others, as well as guidance from top executives from Disney, Netflix, Meta, Final Fantasy. imaginaryones uses Web3 technology, which is basically a fancy way of saying they use the internet in a really cool and interactive way. They mix together gaming, merchandise, and entertaining content to create something they call the imaginary world. It's like a digital playground where you can play games, hang out with others, and let your imagination run wild. What's really neat about imaginaryones is how they make complicated stuff like blockchain technology easy to understand. They use these cute characters to guide you through it, making it less intimidating and more fun for everyone. They're all about making things easy and enjoyable, especially when it comes to Web3. Starting with Web3 can be confusing, but imaginaryones focuses on making it simple and exciting for everyone. One of the coolest things about imaginaryones is their imaginary world. It's like a digital universe where you can create anything you want. It's not just a place for their characters to hang out, it's a place where your imagination comes to life. They have 3 main things they focus on: gaming, merchandise, and content. Each one helps make the imaginary world even more awesome, giving you lots of ways to have fun and be creative. Finally, they have something called Bubble Coin, which is like their own special currency. You can use it to buy stuff in the imaginary world and even have a say in how things are run. It's a cool way to be part of the imaginaryones community. Bubble is the utility token driving the imaginary world, used for gaming, merchandise, and content. It is designed with the goal of empowering holders with governance rights, thereby allowing them to shape the future of the imaginary world and rewarding their contributions. More than just a utility, Bubble fosters the creator economy and secures digital ownership, giving creators and users control over their digital assets. Bubble is critical for amplifying the imaginaryones IP. Its overarching function is to bolster brand growth, spread awareness globally, and draw people into our ecosystem and products. This strategy aims to create a flywheel effect, where increased awareness fuels brand growth, which in turn attracts more participants to the ecosystem, generating a self-sustaining cycle of engagement and expansion. Lastly, Transformers and imaginaryones are set to roll out an electrifying collaboration. So, that's imaginaryones in a nutshell. They're all about fun, creativity, and bringing people together in a digital world where anything is possible. What are your thoughts about the imaginaryones and Bubble? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please tap the subscribe button.